Yes, my name is Are Oladoto Azan, the President Yoruba Council Worldwide, Ìgbìmọ̀ Àpapọ̀ Yorùbá Lágbàáyé. We're here to celebrate an enigma of peace, enigma of development, a maverick king of Africa, and the apex king that supersede every other king in the entire Yoruba race, and that is in person of His Imperial Majesty Arole Olofin Adimula, Arole Odudu Olofin Adimula, Ooni Adeyeye Babatunde Enitan Akanni Ogunwusi, the CFR Ojaja II, the Ooni of Ife. We are here to celebrate you, Kabiyesi. You are really a source of inspiration to all of us in Yoruba land. We believe in your spirit. We believe in your courage. We believe in your demeanor. That's bring all Yoruba descendants into that singular, peaceful abode, which has really, really transverse beyond the shores of Yoruba land to the entire nation as the co-chairman, Council of Traditional Leaders of Nigeria. We believe that you are a source of blessing, peace, prayer answer to the whole of Yoruba land. And during your era, we've had a sitting president that you blessed and that you are able to produce a sitting president in the country in person of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We are really grateful for how you have been molding the nation from being breaking away, from being thrown into abyss. We are encouraged that your 50 years on heart has been a 50 years of great landmarks. So Baba is indeed a source of inspiration to all the Yoruba people, and we are proud of your majesty. Your majesty have brought courage to us for on behalf of the entire Yoruba race and the entire leadership of the Yoruba Council Worldwide, which is the apex umbrella body for all indigenous people worldwide. We are most happy to celebrate your 50 years on the throne of your forefathers. Happy birthday, Kábíyèsí. Ìgbà ọdún ọdún kan ní àṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Kábíyèsí o.